of Food and Rural Campus that we bring to you from Gurgaon. It's the first of its kind in the city, and it has won about 42 Night and Lifestyle Awards back in Gurgaon, and we're expecting it to reach the kind of accolades that it has acquired there. And we're very happy कि आप लोग आज आए हैं. आपका सारे very excited we are कि Chandigarh City Beautiful च तुसी हुन ले आए हुए concept. So today we have Chef Harangat Singh, who has designed the brilliant menu of Prankster. You guys would also be taking a tour of the place to explore the kind of unique style that it brings to the city. Then we have Mr. Inderjeet Singh Banga, who has brought this magnificent concept to the city.
A very warm thanks to all of you people here. क्योंकि ठंड दे विच आप निकल के सारे बाहर आए होते हैं. It's a very important day for us, and we all seek your blessings in making Prankster what it has become in the Delhi NCR region, right? So from the day we launched Prankster, I think it has set a lot of benchmarks in terms of its ambience, in terms of its food quality, and it's been a very consistent product, right? Sunday month we give Chandigarh a similar type of an experience. So Chef Azad also belongs to Chandigarh, and I also have my background back here in Punjab only, right? So I will seek your blessings for the same.
Before we move forward,
Haji.
I would want to know that, how did you choose this place? Like Sector 26 more tougher than if you would have opted for some other place. So why Sector 26?
I think if you make a great product, right, and we all understand that Sector 26 is the market where everybody wants to come and experience nightlife in not just people of Chandigarh and Tri-City, but a lot of places from Haryana and other places of Himachal as well, right? And the inner skirts of Punjab people also come. So for us, we have always worked with one theory: our competition is within us. Our competition doesn't come out from anybody else around us, right? We would get inspired from people who do quality work, right? And we would always be happy to see good quality restaurants around us. I think that always helps in expanding the market. That always helps in creating a market, right? And for us, our internal growth is based on only one thing: can we make a good product, and can we consistently deliver a good product? So if the team is working hard on a daily basis, right, and we are doing that, I think we'll be able to create our own mark.
क्या Prankster और क्या मिलेगा यहाँ?
So Prankster एक memory trip lane है, right? Memory, all your childhood fun, right? Everything that you've grown up with. That is what Prankster is all about. Prankster is all about naughtiness. Prankster is all about mischief, right? So if we largely look into it, the naughtiness, the mischief and the nostalgia. These are three critical words about Prankster. How we have brought that into a real life is, if you look at the ambience, right? We have created a college, a very unusual, cool campus, right? And in that campus, we have thrown in a restaurant. So if you look at it, we've all had our best times of our life while we were in our schools, while we were in the colleges, right? We were carefree. There was, unnecessary banter. There were friendships which blossomed out at that point of time, right? There were memories which were created, which we still live up to on a daily basis, right? So Prankster has been made to give you that whole element back, right?
It's a youth fun trolley.
It's just not youth, right? It's for everybody who's young at heart, right? Everybody who wants to go back to their own roots and who want to experience what they are all about. It's about an inner connect with what we all are. अगर अभी क्या देखिए, we all are fun-loving people, right? It's just that we just get bound by our own daily activities so much that we sort of tend to lose out what we really are. So this is a place where you come back and get connected to your real self. That's what we do. कि ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸਾਰੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਉੱਥੇ ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ ਫਿੰਗਰ ਔਨ ਯਰ ਲਿਪਸ ਕਰਕੇ ਸਿਰਫ ਪੜ੍ਹਦੇ ਰਹੇ ਹੈ ਨਾ. ਹੁਣ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ ਇੱਕ ਲਾਇਬ੍ਰੇਰੀ ਦੇ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ ਕਿ ਇੱਥੇ ਆ ਕੇ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਰੌਲਾ ਪਾਣਾ ਪਾਓ, ਜੋ ਮੈਟਰ ਕਰਨਾ ਜੋ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਪਣੀ ਕਾਲਜ ਦੀ ਲਾਇਬ੍ਰੇਰੀ 'ਚ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰ ਪਾਏ, ਇਸ ਲਾਇਬ੍ਰੇਰੀ ਸਾਰਾ ਕੁਝ ਆ ਕੇ ਕਰ ਲਓ. Yeah. We'll be Prankster will be doing. Prankster is based on great ambience of the college. Our food, right, which Angad will probably discuss in more length and breadth, right, is all about all childhood flavors done in a progressive manner. So how we term our cuisine is called progressive nostalgia. सारे बचपन के स्वाद done in a new way. I am sure ਤੁਸੀਂ सारे ने हुणे साडा शायद pizza taste ਕੀਤਾ ਹੋਵੇਗਾ ਤੇ please do that before you guys leave. या जिवें हुण ਅਸੀਂ छोले कुलचे डोनट बनाए हैं, सारे ने अपने घर छोले कुलचे खाते हैं. वी हैव डन अ मॉडर्न वर्जन ऑफ अ छोले कुलचे, ठीक है. बट बेसिक गल की है दैट food that we have done, we have never played with the basics of the food. We have never tried to do any experiment on the food which takes away the real essence of the connectivity. A good food should connect with your soul, right? That's what we have tried to put across here.
They have same ambience in Delhi.
Yeah. So ambience, the concept is same, right? It's a campus, it's a college, right? So if you largely look at it, for example, this is a little small chemistry lab here, right? The front side that you saw was the library, right? There are scooters parked in here because this is where सारे अपनी गेड़ियाँ कटियाँ scooters लगते हैं, right? So stuff like that is what we made here. And as far as the music you were asking me out, so this is a place where we want you to relive that whole era of fun back in the evening. Music plays a very important role. So we'll be playing a lot of different type of DJs would be coming, artists would be coming who will be connecting you to your those times of the year, those times of your life as well.
Mike, you know,
Hi.
it's your area actually. You have to tell me what kind of food we're gonna enjoy.
So, as sir explained that the cuisine, what we are doing here is progressive nostalgic cuisine. Now, every dish, what you taste, is very well researched and has a reason and a story behind it. We don't say we are modern Indian. The reason being, we say we are progressive rather than saying modern Indian because we have progressively worked and given a thought, like the chole kulche donut. So we have converted a whole experience of chole kulche. ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਉਹ ਪੋਲਕਾ ਬੇਕਰੀ ਦੇ ਕੁਲਚੇ ਦੀ ਯਾਦ ਆ ਜਾਏਗੀ 3v2 ਵਾਲਿਆਂ ਦੀ when you will eat that chole kulche donut ਜਿਹੜਾ ਉਹ ਮੇਥੀ ਕੁਲਚਾ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਆ. And every dish when you get in front of you will bring you a smile and it will connect to a childhood memory. So definitely it is going to be an exciting experience out here.
हमारे में क्या क्या स्पेशल मतलब एक सिग्नेचर डिश होती है.
हाँ जी.
इस तरह की सिग्नेचर डिश क्या रहेगी? वहाँ की या दिल्ली की सब सेम है या अलग है?
So the menu is same, Delhi and Chandigarh. Chandigarh we have given little extra tribute because it is my hometown also, and we definitely wanted you to experience something out of the box. Now, as I was saying that every dish has a childhood connect. So when Indrajit sir told me for the first time that we are doing a college campus. So definitely we never wanted to do any regular food. We wanted to research it well. So sir asked me to visit his hometown in Patiala. Then I visited all the colleges in Mumbai and Chandigarh. Of course I know what is the food culture here. So taking all the experiences and putting it on plate was a challenge. But then yes, we knew that we will connect all the experiences with the childhood memory. So that is how we created the food out here.
So if I can add a little bit to what Angad is trying to say here, चलो सी क्या कहती progressive nostalgia करना है, memories को लेके आना है, तो food जो किन्हें लेके आई होरे विच बात, right? So the menu had to had a lot of elements of रोज दा खाने वाला खाना, right? But done in a modern avatar, right? So if you look at the pizza that you guys just ate, ठीक है? उसकी base ਜਿਹੜੀ है college ਦੀ patty वर्गी base है, right? So we are the only restaurant in the country which does a pizza like that, right? We did a dahi bhalla ice cream. So सबने चाट खाती है in their childhood, right? What we have done is we have done an ice cream which has the flavors of dahi bhalla, right? And then made a chaat out of it, right? For example, another dish that we do is a tawa roti pulao, right? So सबने घर ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਮਟਨ ਬਣਦਾ ਹੈ, right? ਬਾਅਦ सबने घर मटन बन जाता है. So what we do is normally basic habit होती है हर किसी की, right? कि ਜਿਹੜਾ ਮਟਨ ਬਚ ਗਿਆ ਉਹਦੇ ਚਾਵਲ ਪਾ ਦੋ ਤੇ ਅਗਲੇ ਦਿਨ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਖਾਵਾਂਗੇ, ਮੀਟ ਚਾਵਲ ਖਾਵਾਂਗੇ. So we made a dish like that, right? We do another dish on the menu which is called cooker meat. So where the beauty of the mutton is this, that the final whistle, when you order the cooker meat, the mutton will come on your table, right? And when you open the final whistle will happen on the table itself, right? So it's like Sunday to Sunday ka mutton banda, right? Why can't you have it in a restaurant? That's the whole idea, right? Do the food which you've all eaten, but do it with our own style. That's the idea. It is tender and tandoori. When you pick it up from the plate, right, it will fall off the bone, right? We were not able to get a good quality mutton supplier here. So we are getting the basic raw material of the meat all the way from Delhi every day to make sure that we get the same quality.